Hi, my name is Alexey, and today I'm going to introduce you to top 5 must-have front-end extensions for Magento 2. Top 5 list of the backend Magento enhancements coming up next. Every single extension in this video has been developed by the veterans of Magento extension market and does exactly what the developers promised. So, whether you're planning on starting new Magento 2 store, migrating from your old Magento, or considering transfer options, this list will help you get everything you need and cover the most important store areas, starting with product search to the sales analytics. I will leave all the links to the extensions and order they appear in this video in the description. Now to the front-end enhancements. So what makes the good impression on their first visit to the store? You probably get it right. Navigation. No matter how vast your catalog is, if customer cannot find the product they want, they're most likely to leave the store. That's where our first star shines. Improved layout navigation extension by Amasti. The extension introduces user-friendly navigation system to your store with new filtering options and many more. It also incorporates shop by brand extension, allowing products browsing by your favorite brand. It offers a complete solution for your product navigation. Here at the product page, you can find detailed feature list with all necessary explanations on how every feature works. It is actually more comprehensive than some of the user guides from other developers. Now, moving to the actual extension demo, you can either use a demo tutorial or explore everything yourself. In the left column, we can see that extension introduced convenient category menu. Actually, there are different layouts to it, different attributes, display type, including thumbnail, images for brands, text swatches, color swatches, and the price range slider. Now, at the top of the column, we can see a reference block with all currently applied filters for quick management. And of course, you can apply multiple filters at once. All these enhancements form a complete list of what customer expects from the navigation options in 2017. As for the brand pages, here you have it. All available brands, which can be sorted by the first letter or using the search field. Now, clicking on the brand leads us to the dedicated brand page with custom blocks available for brand description and banners. Now, as for the extension settings, there are quite a few. There are 4 blocks of settings for layered navigation, all products page, for the brands, and for the SEO enhancements. Basically, with this, you gain full access to almost every extension element. So, what do you get with Amasti improved layered navigation? Increase in conversion. This is simple. Customers spend more time at your store looking through all product variants they want. The search is excessive and offers great customer experience, converting one-time visitors to loyal customers. Amasti also offers installation service for $59 and free technical support for 90 days. You also get free lifetime updates and 60 days money-back guarantee in case you don't like the extension. Layered navigation extension by Amasti, check it out. The link is in the description. Now, what about the actual product search? Well, browsing catalog is one thing and looking for a particular product is another problem that must be solved. And it can be solved with Elasticsearch Ultimate by MirrorSuite. It comes with both search enhancements and search autocomplete and suggest functionality for the search field, which is considered a must nowadays. Actually, the extension has the same purpose: increase conversion rate by letting customers find what they want, and it does it perfectly. You know, issues with native Magento search and how they migrated to Magento 2. You're looking for a lamp and end up with a pair of sneakers. Well, the Elasticsearch is here to give you the goddamn lamp. It is fast, and we will check it in a couple of seconds with the demo store MirrorSuite offers. Before we start though, a few words about this search. It covers CMS pages, blogs, catalog products, categories and attributes, and custom content is supported. Customer can search with hyphens, slashes, stop words, and synonyms, and the search supports all languages. Now to the demo, which is pretty convenient in covering all the use cases, starting with stemming with singular and plural forms. As you can see, we get same 20 results of our search for both singular and plural forms of hoodie. Moving next, long tail search with special symbols in the search queries. Typing mistakes, where the extension gives you the relevant results. Fallback search queries, where engine cuts irrelevant search queries into pieces. See? And multi-index search, where we can browse CMS pages and other content. As for the search suggestion autocomplete, you can see that MirrorSuite did great job in splitting suggestions to categories, product pages, and other pages. Suggested results offer quick reference to the product description and review rating, making the search experience convenient to its full. Now to the settings. So we let the page load, and here we have an access to the search index configuration. For example, products, where we can define search weight of the product attributes. Now we can define the weight for the product name, SKU, etc. And we can set such properties as search by parent category names, search by child products, search by product ID, and so on and so far. Moving next, we have access to the search reporting tool, which can display data on search volumes and search terms. Now we give it a few seconds. So we have data on search volumes with a convenient grid, and we can identify search terms to understand what our customers are looking for the most, which can be pretty useful in identifying customers' needs. And at last, extension configuration section, where we decide what features are available and how they actually work. So what do you get with Elasticsearch? First, it helps you with providing customers with relevant search results, making sure nothing is lost in your catalog. Second, analyzing the most frequent search queries, allowing for customer expectations control through your supplier. Third, making use of the product SKUs and serial numbers if your catalog depends on them heavily. For example, if you are selling car parts. What MirrorSuite offers with the extension is installation service is a one-time fee of $49, 90 days of free technical support, 30 days money-back guarantee, free lifetime updates. And that's it for the navigation enhancements. Moving up next, we need to think about product content and how customers can interact with products. And here comes improved configurable product extension by FireBear company. The extension makes best use of configurable products, making them responsive, streamlining the add-to-cart process, and introducing product view matrix, an invaluable tool for B2B stores. The main feature of the extension is dynamic updates of all product details, including page URL, depending on the configurable product options selected. Here at the product scheme, we can see all blocks that can be updated automatically. Now, if we move to the actual demo, so I can show you how it's done. The configurable product content is updated on both category and product pages. Here, if I select size M and color orange, you can see that the product name has been updated to reflect my choices. If I click the product image, my choices will move along with me to the product page. You can see size M, color orange. Same applies for the product page URL. You can also define a simple product that will be always pre-selected by default to save your customer some time and promote particular configurable product option. Now, when I'm at the product page, notice the page URL, product name, description, and SKU. So while I'm changing product attributes, you can see that all my changes are reflected in all product attributes and product URL. So why is URL is important? For example, you can promote a particular product of a configurable one. You can provide your customers with a direct link to it. Now, you can also see that the extension introduced the price range to the product page, which is another enhancement. Now, here you could have noticed the matrix view. It has all necessary information incorporated into it. We have available product quantity, we have stock status, we have tire prices displayed. It is a great B2B feature, allowing for bulk ordering of the items. Here, let me show you. Now, let's add 5 items of size S, 10 items of size M, and 30 items of size L. You can see all 3 items have been added to the cart. Moving to the extension settings. Now, stores, configuration. We have FireBear Studio, improve configurable products. Here we control what blocks we want to be updated. For example, product name, product SKU, and where we want them displayed in case custom theme is used. A few scrolls below, we control the look of the price block. We can set it on category page and at the product page, and we can enable a from to format. We can enable product matrix and can define custom shipping message attributes that will be used to display a message depending on the time customer visits the page. So, what do you get with improved configurable product extension? Additional promotional opportunities with direct configurable product options link, reduced number of add to cart steps, invaluable B2B product matrix that works wonders if you're a supplier. In addition, FireBear Studio offers free installation and assistance with setting up the extension. You also get 1 year of free technical support and 30 days money-back guarantee. So, we have taken care of navigation and search and configurable options content. Now, the time has come to proceed to the checkout with one-step checkout extension from the developer of the same name. One-step checkout extension by onestepcheckout.com. As the name suggests, this is a checkout page where customers can purchase products in a single step, without annoying next buttons, going back to edit your credentials, and losing already submitted information due to browser caching and so on. The first tool you get on your store. So why this very extension? One-Step Checkout.com specializes in such extensions. The company had the best extension for Magento 1 and continues building great solutions for Magento 2. With One-Step Checkout, you get, first and foremost, compatibility with other developer extensions that follow Magento guidelines and support API. It is really important, as this is not the only extension you will be using, and having a reward program, gift card, and other can pretty much hinder your checkout performance. Not with one-step checkout. Field customization. You can disable checkout fields unnecessary for your business. You get support of all most popular payment gateways. And you get mobile-friendly design when the page adjusts to the screen borders. Now for the demo. As you can see, now let's actually proceed to the demo store and add a product to the cart. As you can see, all checkout fields are available at a glance. You have all necessary fields to fill in, and option fields such as billing address are hidden as they are not used very often. So, you can see that the email address field can recognize guest customers by the email they registered their account with. Now, depending on your shipping and payment methods selected, the screen fields are reloaded automatically using Ajax technology. The page also comes with order summary block and allows leaving comments for the order. I would also like to remind you that you can add and remove fields from this page, configuring as per your requirements. So, what value you get with one-step checkout? First, it decreases cart abandonment rate due to clunky checkout pages, thus increasing conversion. Second, a quick and easy checkout page that your customers will love, and you will see increase in loyalty and returning customers. You also can get 12 months of technical support and assistance with access to the latest extension builds for €10 a month. Installation is purchased separately and will cost you €70. So, once we have all these core front-end extensions installed, it is time to cache everything with full page cache. However, sometimes the pages get updated, and we need to monitor all the changes to provide customers with relevant information on time. That's where the fifth extension on the list comes to play. Amasti Full Page Cache Warmer. Well, I cannot say that this is a genuine front-end extension. However, as it affects the front-end, it has been added to the list. Every Magento tool, open source, which is X community, enterprise, and cloud, has full page caching tool. Even though caching software speeds up the website loading speed, it still may lack the performance to reduce the bounce rate. So what is the extension? It is somewhat of a smart crawler tool that monitors page cache statuses, and if and when there are any content changes, it schedules a cache update to the most appropriate time, depending on the store load hours or manually. You can also set the pages that should be warmed first. For example, pages that get updated the most and generate lots of traffic. Or on the other hand, you can exclude particular pages if you think that caching process will take too much time and result in slowing the store. And everything I've mentioned can be scheduled with cron. You can also create sets of pages that should be cached together and decide on the position in the warming queue. As for the extension settings, now let's actually move to the demo. You can see that we have control of pretty much everything. You get query generation source, you get access to the page types, and you can actually define the priority of the page warming. You have queue generation schedule. Next, we have our warmer queue, where we can see the pages that have been scheduled to be warmed. We get to see URLs and the rate. Next, we have warmer log, which is self-explanatory. We get to see all the pages that have been warmed. Next, we have performance reports. And here we can see warmed pages and already cached pages. We can also get warmed page statistics. Anyways, it is much more convenient than managing full cache refreshes that hinder store performance and do it manually. So, what do you get? In terms of business value, first and foremost, you get your SEO taken care of in terms of the store loading speed. Consider time to first byte, then working with your store and identifying performance issues. The warmer helps you achieve the best possible results when it comes to the loading speed. You also get automated cache warming process, possibility to exclude specific pages from warming, auto-update cache after the changes, warmalog and performance reports, and support of native FPC and Vanish caching tools. And this is it for the top 5 Magento front-end extensions. Hope you enjoyed the video and made you either consider a new purchase for your beloved Magento store, or you are proud owner of all 5 tools and can share your experience with the others. Anyways, in the next video I will cover top 5 extensions for the Magento backend that will be useful for you. For more videos on Magento 2, subscribe to the channel and follow FireBear Studio blog, which can be found here. Many Magento related articles, extension guides, extensive extension comparison, and reviews of extensions from different development companies. Give it a shot, check it out, and I will see you guys next time.